And pero, parang mas na-happy ako dito. Thank you. Oh my gosh, ang ganda nito. Oh my gosh. Ang gwapo nila. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Oh my, tingnan niyo, oh. Hindi siya yung matatanggal or malalaglag or mayuyupe. Ang ganda nito. Uy, Irish, thank you. Parang mas na-happy ako dito kaysa dito. Hindi, joke lang. This is nice. I will put this somewhere here in my room, in our room. And oh my gosh, thank you so much. Thank you. Sa mga magpapadala ng birthday gifts, mayroon pa kayong chance. Meron pa kayong chance. Thank you so much, Irish. Maraming salamat. I love these. I didn't expect this. Akala ko magpapadala ka lang ng cake or something. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Again, guys, hindi nyo kailangan magpadala. Pero kung gusto nyo, why not?